In this video, you will see why you must visit Hvar Island, Croatia's sunniest spot. Hvar Island is a true gem that is not to be missed, a unique blend of Mediterranean climate, preserved nature and beautiful old towns and villages made of stone. Hvar furthermore offers luxury and exclusivity rivaled only by Dubrovnik. The island is known for its crystal clear waters, stunning beaches, and charming towns with tremendous cultural heritage. Hvar is also the sunniest spot in Croatia, making it a popular destination for sun seekers worldwide. Hvar Island has a rich history dating back to ancient times. The island was an important center for trade and culture, and its strategic location made it a target for many conquerors. Today, Hvar Island has preserved its historical and cultural heritage, making it a unique destination for travelers. Stari Grad excels in cultural heritage, especially the fortified holiday house of 𝐇𝐎𝐿, a poet and author of Fishing and Fisherman's Talk. Getting to Hvar Island is easy, as frequent ferries connect the island to the mainland. The ferry ride is a scenic journey that takes you through the beautiful waters of the Adriatic Sea. The ferry ride takes about 2 hours from Split, and the views along the way are breathtaking. Once you arrive on Hvar, you can explore the island by foot, bike, or car. However, renting a car is recommended to explore the island's more remote areas. The island is known for its stunning beaches, with plenty to choose from. Besides several adorable traditional houses, Vrboska Beach is one of them outside of the settlements. This beach is known for its clear waters and shining white pebbles. Other popular beaches on the island include Malini Beach, and Stipanska Beach on the nearby 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐎 Islands. Selene and Zavala Bays harbor lovely and popular beaches. In addition to its beaches, Hvar Island offers plenty of activities for travelers. One of the most popular activities on the island is hiking. Several hiking trails on the island offer stunning views of the Adriatic Sea and the island's interior. Hvar is the main town on the island and is a must-visit destination. The town is known for its charming streets, historical sites, and lively nightlife. One of the top attractions in Hvar Town is the Fortica Fortress, which offers stunning views of the town and the surrounding sea. Other top attractions in Hvar Town include the St. Stephen's Cathedral, the Franciscan Monastery, and the Hvar Theatre. In addition to its historical sites, Hvar Town is also known for its nightlife. The town has a vibrant nightlife scene, with plenty of bars and clubs. Hvar Town is a jumping point to the beautiful 𝐂𝐿 Islands. Stari Grad is one of the oldest settlements, not only on Hvar Island but also on the entire Adriatic coast of Croatia. It is a primary entry point to the island due to the ferry port. Today it is a popular tourist destination, with its countryside and beaches. It lacks some of the glitz of Hvar Town, but on the other hand, it offers a more relaxed environment. You can wander on the narrow old streets, where the centuries have polished cobble. Jelsa is a small town on Hvar Island, a popular tourist destination encompassed by lovely beaches. It has an attractive seafront, also smaller winding streets. Vrboska is a small town surrounded by beautiful coasts and beaches. Settled on a deep bay, it is often called Croatian Venice. The massive church towers above the town. If you want more nightlife and glitz, go to Hvar Town. Stari Grad is your choice if you are a history and culture buff, while Vrboska and Jelsa are perfect for families with children. If you're planning a trip to Hvar Island, you should keep a few things in mind. First, the island can get crowded during the peak summer season, so booking your accommodation in advance is best. Be sure to bring comfortable shoes for walking around the island. The streets in Hvar Town and other towns on the island are made of cobblestones, which can be challenging to walk on in high heels or sandals. If you have some extra time on Hvar Island, you can take plenty of day trips. 𝐂𝐿 Islands are popular one-day trips where you can experience the pristine nature of the Mediterranean. One popular day trip is to the island of Vis, known for its stunning blue cave. Hvar Island is a true gem that should be on every traveler's bucket list. The island offers something for everyone, from its stunning beaches to its charming towns. Whether looking for a relaxing beach vacation or a lively nightlife scene, Hvar Island has it all. So pack your bags and head to Hvar Island for an unforgettable experience.